circular tracks. Circular tracks. Case 1. We'll go with the fundamentals. Case 1. There is a circular track. Length of the circular track is 300 meters. Length of the circular track is 300 meters. At the starting point, there are two people with the speeds 20 meter per second and 50 meter per second. Both of them started at the same time. 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 Now see here. Suppose assume me and Shiva are there here. It's a linear track. I am going at 20 meter per second. After 1 second I travel 20. She will travel 50. After 1 second Shiva is got a lead of 30 meters over a hill. After 2 seconds 60 meters lead over a hill. 3 seconds 90. Like that he will keep going forward. In a linear track, if one has got a more speed and both of them started at the same time, they will never meet. Because it's a circular track, he will go, reach there. Maybe when he is coming back, he might meet. He will meet. How many points he will meet, whether it is at the middle or close to the starting point or close to the ending point, depending upon the speeds. First question. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Sorry. Time taken to meet for the first time on the track. Let us do this. Time taken to meet for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet for the first time on the track. Can I say that after 1 second, B got a 30 meter lead over it? 30 meters lead. But I don't want 30 meters lead. According to the question, what is the length of the circular track? 300. That means after 10 seconds, they both will meet for the first time on the track. Now see, after 10 seconds, they both will meet for the first time on the track. I will discuss point number 2. Then you will understand why after every 10 seconds they are meeting. Just write down 10 seconds. After every 10 seconds, A and B will meet. Or in other words, for every 200 meters, B will meet A if A is the point of reference. For every 500 meters as a point of reference B, A and B will meet. Second point. Second is important, sir. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Now see here. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Second one, explanation. Now see here. This is a circular track. This is the starting point. Divide the track into 3 equal parts. This will become 100 meters. This will become 100 meters. This will become 100 meters. Now see. First time they will meet for the first time after 10 seconds. Listen carefully. A. In 1 second, A will travel 20 meters. In 1 second, 20 meters. After 10 seconds, 200 meters. That means A is here. 200 meters he will travel. 100, 100. A is there here. 1 second, 50 meters per B. After 10 seconds, 1 second 50, 10 seconds 500, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is the first meeting point on the track. First meeting point on the track. After they met for the first time. Again after 10 seconds they will meet. Again after 10 seconds means from A's point of view, A will travel 200. A is here. B will travel 50 meters per 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Second. That means from A's point of view, after every 200 meters, A, right, A and B will meet. 100, 200, this is the third meeting point. 100, 200, this is the fourth meeting point. 100, 100, this is the fifth meeting point, sixth meeting point. That means this is of the form 3K. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. This is of the form 3K plus 1. This is of the form 3K plus 2. They will always meet only for 3 distinct meeting points. There is no other meeting point. Number of distinct meeting points on this track is given by S1 minus S2 modulus. We don't know whether S1 is greater than S2, S2 is greater than S1. If S1 is to S2 is in its simplest form. When I say S1 is to S2 should be in its simplest form, they both should be co-prime to each other. When I say co-prime to each other, HCF of S1, S2 should be 1. 20, 50. 2 is to 5. What is 5 minus 2? 3. Number of distinct meeting points on the track will be 3. Number of distinct meeting points on the track will be 3. The questions could be like this. Which meeting point is again at the starting point? Answer 1 could be a multiple of 3, another could be 3K plus 1, another could be 3K plus 2, none of this. Answer is 3K. Number of distinct meeting points on the track is given by mod of S1 minus S2 if A and B are traveling in the same direction and started at the same time. Sanju, okay? Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track is 10 seconds. For every 10 seconds they will meet. But questions, they might not give you the speed, but they might give you the time. Right? Third question. Is it clear? Right? First we will do same direction, opposite direction, then we will discuss for 3 people, 4 people. Suppose this question can also be asked like this. Note. Please write down note. I hope it is clear, right? Number of distinct meeting points on the track is given by S1 minus S2. S1 and S2 should be in its simplest form. 20, 50, simplest form is 2 is to 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Third one. Note. Note. The question could also be like this. TA equivalent to 16 seconds. TA equivalent to 16 seconds. TB equivalent to 80 seconds. TA is 16 seconds, TB is 18 seconds. TA 16 seconds means time taken by A to complete one complete round. From here to here, to complete one round, it is TA TB. Question is, number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. We require SA is to SB, speed and time are inversely proportional to each other. TB is to TA, 80 is to 60, 5 is to 1. Number of meeting points on the track will be 4 because they both are starting at the same time. Time taken by A to complete will be 16 seconds, time taken by B will be 80 seconds. If they both are moving in the same direction. If they both are moving in the same direction. Is a note. Time could be given. Another note. Another note. TA is the time taken by A to complete one complete round. TB is the time taken by B to complete one complete round. Note. See here. Note. Note. 12 hours is 60 divisions in clocks. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 1 hour is 5 divisions. Speed equivalent to distance by time. Speed of our hand. 1 hour 60 minutes. It is 5 divisions. So it is 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed of minute hand is 60 divisions by 60 minutes it will be 1 division per minute. 1 division per minute. Speed of hour hand, speed of minute hand, 1 by 12 division per minute, 1 division per minute. Now, in clock also, hour hand and minutes hand are moving in the same direction. Now see, number of distinct meeting points. Clocks is nothing but an extended version of circular tracks. Number of distinct points is SH is to SN, 1 by 12 is to 1 is to 12. 12 minus 1, 11. That is the reason. In 12-hour clock, hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times. Please write down it.
So when we are doing speed of hour hand, we have taken 60 minutes. Whereas
1 hour is 60 minutes.
But when you are doing speed of minutes, you should take 60 seconds.
When the denominator is 60 minutes, suppose in total 1 hour, 1 minute, that minute hand will go to 1 division. But in 60 minutes, our hand will go to 5 divisions. If 60 minutes is the point of reference, our hand will go 5 divisions, minutes hand. But this is giving you hour hand and minutes hand. There is another hand, seconds hand, that also will take. That I will take when the 3 people are moving in the same direction. People are nothing but hours, minutes and seconds hand. So, it is 1 is to 12, 1 is to 12, 12 minus 1, 11, right? See, number of distinct meeting points in a track is 11. Please write down that point. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times in 12 hours. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times in 12 hours. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide 11 times in 12 hours. In case, if you can remember like this, please remember. I'll tell you why it is 11 but not 12 in another way. I hope it is clear, right? Now, seconds hand I will take when I am doing case 3, where 3 people are moving in the same direction. Now see here. There is one concept. Both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11. Suppose if it is from 1 to 2. Answer is 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 into 1. 1, 5, 5 by 11. If it is 2 to 3, between 2 to 3, take the coincidence timing, multiply with the hour hand. 2, 10, 10 by 11. If it is 7 to 8, between 7 to 8, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 into 7. Suppose if I take between 11 to 12, between 11 to 12 is not from 11 to 12. After 11 and before 12. Between 11 to 12, it will become 1 hour, 5 minutes, 5 by 11 into 11. 11, 11 5s are 55 minutes. 55 by 11, 5 minutes. 55 minutes plus 5 minutes, how much? 12. Between 11 to 12 is not 12. That is the reason in 12 hours they will coincide 11 times. Please write that. Either you can do by using a circular track concept, or you can do these both the hour hand and minutes hand will coincide after every 1 hour 5 by 11.
In one day it is 23 or 22.
Which one?
In one day
22. Proportionately. Proportionately. See, it is
But
like this. No.
12 will get included.
12 hours. 12 hours it is 11 to 11 times in 12 hours. 24 hours 22 times. For 12 hours it is. Suppose I will tell you another example, then I will correlate. Suppose I took a wall clock. Now it is showing 3:10. Now the wall clock is damaged. It is not moving. But still it will show 2 times right a day. Because 3:10 will come. That is 3:10, 12 hours. 24 hours means doublet. Same is the case. In 12 hours it is 11 times, 24 hours 22 times. You can do by using this, or you can do by using that. 2 people, 3 people, if you understand, it's very, very easy concept. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track, total number of distinct meeting points on the track. Right. Next, point 3. Time taken to meet again at the starting point.
Sir, why did you divide the track only into 3 equal halves?
No, because now, good that you asked me this question. I divided the track into 3 parts, then I showed that the meeting points are 3. Actually, it is the reverse. Meeting points are 3, though, therefore I divided the track into 3 equal parts. Explanation will be easy if I divide into 3 parts. Next, time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. At the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. The track is like this. Length is 300 meters. This is SCA is 20 meter per second. SB is 50 meter per second. SCA is 20 meter per second. Now tell me, 4 and 6 two numbers are there. They are going forward. When will 4 and 6 will meet? At 12. Right? When is their first meeting point? At the LCM of 4 comma 6. So these 2 times will meet at LCM of TA comma TB. So this will be LCM of time is nothing but D by SCA comma D by SB. This is nothing but LCM of 300 by 20 comma 300 by 50. LCM of fraction C is LCM of the numerator by HCF of the denominator. 30 seconds. They will meet again at after 30 seconds. Please see the circular track. You will be able to correlate that it's at starting point. 1 second at 20 meters. 1 second at 20 meters. 30 seconds means 600 meters. One complete 300, again complete 300. These are the starting point. 1 second 50. 30 seconds 1500. 5 circumferences are there. That means this makes 2 circumferences. This made 5 circumferences. That means when they met again at the starting point, the second B is 3 rounds ahead of A. Now once the basics is clear, it's very time taken to meet again at the starting point. Times will meet again at the starting point is LCM of TA comma TB. Sushmita is absent, right, Vinay?
Yeah.
Office. LCM of TA comma TB. 300 by 20 comma 300 by 50. 30 seconds. 2 people starting at the same time and traveling in the same direction. Case 2. 2 people traveling in the opposite direction. Then 1 person either, do either, ek either. All that cases will combine case 1 and case 2. Case 2. Case 2. There is a circular track. The length of the track is 700. SCA is 20 meter per second. SB is 50 meter per second. Both are traveling in the opposite direction. Both are traveling in the opposite direction. First one, time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. It's very logical. 1 second, I am there here. Suppose Satya is there at the dead end. After 1 second, I will travel 20. 1 second, Satya will travel 50. After 1 second, total 70 is traveled. But any point they meet, they have to cover total 700 meters. That means they will meet again after 10 seconds. They will meet again after 10 seconds. Second one, please take this. Number of, find it out, number of distinct meeting points. S2 is in its simplest form. Simplest form, 20 is to 50, 2 is to 5, 2 plus 5, 7. 7. So take a circular track, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is, SA is 20 meter per second, SB is 50. Please listen carefully, sir. After that, I'll discuss a question. 20 means these 100, these 100, these 100, these 100, 100, 100, 100, 200. First meeting point. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. First meeting point. Second meeting point. Third meeting point. Fourth meeting point. Fifth meeting point. Sixth meeting point. Seventh meeting point. Seventh meeting point. Next, third one. Please listen carefully. Next question is a very logical question. I will wait for your answer after. Third one. Time taken. It's clear, right?
So this one, how it comes out like this?
7 equally meeting points. 100, 100. A is here. 50. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Right? Again, after 10 seconds, 200. Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. One is like this, another is like this. Third one. Time taken. Third one. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Same thing, whether it is say whatever direction, it is always LCM of TA comma TB. So it is LCM of 700 by 20, 700 by 50. So it is 700 by 10. It is 70 seconds. 70 seconds.
Sir, first question, 700 by 130 should also give
700 by
130.
130.
Speed should be added because they are in opposite direction.
You are talking about the third point.
First question. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track.
First time, this is 20, this is 50.
No, not this question only.
This question only, same thing only, 20 and 50, totally 700. Opposite direction means I added 700 by 70, 10 only. First one 10 seconds only we got, right? 20, 50.
You need to add the speed too, sir.
Added only, right? 20 plus 50 direction. Right? 70 seconds. Now, I will give you two questions. This concept clear, right? Now question one. Question one, I will wait for your answer. See. Question one. Question one. There is a circular track. At the starting point, SCA is 3 times SB. We don't need the values, we require the ratio to get the distinct meeting points, right? SCA is 3 into SB. A and B are going in the opposite direction. A goes here, B goes here. Listen carefully. Whenever they meet, they reverse their speed or they reverse their direction and interchange their speeds. Please write on that point. Whenever they meet, they reverse their direction and interchange their speeds. Whenever they meet, they reverse their direction and interchange their speeds. Radius is given as 14 units. R is given as 14 units. R is given as 14 units. Find the shortest distance between. Find the shortest distance between the starting point and the third meeting point. Find the shortest distance between the starting point and the third meeting point. Second question. Find the total distance traveled by A. Find the total distance traveled by A from the starting point till the third meeting point. Till the third meeting point. 5 minutes time. Just read the question. It's a very, very interesting question. See here, there is a circular track. There are two people, Deepak and Anchal. Deepak and Anchal both start running around a circular table in a clockwise direction, moving at a constant speed. Okay. Deepak is on his bike. Deepak is on his bike and Anchal is on the bicycle. Okay. Deepak goes all the way on the track and catches Anchal in the next round. Okay. So Anchal is going in bicycle. It has travelled some distance. When it has travelled, Deepak's bike is so fast that it completed one round and met Anchal here. This is the first meeting point. Right? As soon as they meet, he turns back and heads towards the starting point. Okay. So Deepak went like this and met Anchal here. Once he met, Deepak, second meeting point is Deepak turned back. Anchal is coming slowly. Second meeting point is the starting point. Second meeting point is the starting point. What is the ratio of their speeds? Speed of Deepak to speed of Anchal. Question clear? Deepak and Anchal are two people. One is traveling in bike, another is traveling in bicycle. Both are traveling in the same direction. Deepak, because of traveling in bike, he is going very fast. Anchal is going slowly. Deepak completed one round and met here. After meeting, Deepak goes back. Anchal keeps traveling. They met again at the starting point. What is the ratio of their speeds? Please try it out. Total circumference B1. That means speed of the Deepak. Both of them started at the same time, sir. Speed of Anchal. Total Deepak. How much he covered from here? Total he covered total 1. Assume that this distance is x. That means Deepak covered how much? 1 plus x. Anchal covered how much? X. Equivalent to. From here, Deepak went back to the source. How much he covered? X. Right? How much? This now. This, what is the remaining he covered? What is the remaining? 1 minus x. 1 minus x square equivalent to x square. X equivalent to 1 by root 2. Root 2 plus 1. The best way to solve these questions is total consider circumference as 1. Easily one step you will get answers. Otherwise you call it as x, you call it as y minus x. Why to get into two equations? I hope it is clear, right? 1 plus 1 by root 2. Answer is root 2 plus 1 is to 1. Root 2 plus 1 is to 1. Second one. Urvashi. I hope it is clear, right? Laltu, okay? Satya, right?
Can be 2 by theta.
Huh?
Theta angle.
Angle?
Theta equals to arc by radius. Radius is constant. Theta is directly proportional to arc.
Which question you are saying? Second one, na?
That answer one.
Answer. Tell me.
So theta equals to arc by radius. Radius is
L
constant.
equivalent to r theta. R equivalent to L by theta.
Yeah. So speed equals to distance by time.
Distance by time. S equivalent to L by t.
Yes.
S equivalent to R by theta t.
So that fellow has covered all. that he has covered 450 is to 90. Anchal has 1 by 4th. 1 by 4th means 90.
No, this is not 25 percentage.
Okay. We don't know.
We don't know. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here, or it could be here also. We don't know.
Okay, sir. I don't.
Right. Next, first one. SCA equivalent to 3 into SB. SCA by SB equivalent to 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Because they are traveling in opposite direction. Total how many meeting points will be there? 4. 25 percentage, 50, 75. Right. That means SCA equivalent to 3 into SB means out of 4 parts, which is nothing but a circumference of a circle, A completes 3 parts, B completes 1 part. That means if A takes the entire 3, B takes 1. This is the first meeting point. Then they are reversing their direction, interchanging their speeds. A covers 3. Now A will cover 1. A will cover 1. B covers 1. Then B will cover 3. This is the second meeting point. Next one. A covers 3. Then A covers 1. Now A covers 3. This is the third meeting. Third meeting point. This is 14. This is 14. This is 14 root 2. First one answer is 14 root 2. Second one. What is the second question? What is the total distance travelled by A from the starting point till the third meeting point? To meet B at the first time, he has to cover 3 parts. To meet B for the second time, he has to cover 1 part. Again, he has to cover 3 parts. That means from the starting point to the third meeting point, total 7 parts. 4 parts is nothing but the circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. But I require 7 parts. So answer is 7 by 4 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 40 given. How much it is? 2 1s are 2 2s are 11s are 11 into 14, 154. Very easy question. You don't require any basic understanding of a mathematical ability. It's more of a logical ability question. A will cover 3 parts, then B will cover 1, right? Interchange the direction. Now side heading not. 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 Now see here. 3 to 4 questions, it will be very, very clear for you. Suppose if I take 3 people. There is a length of the track 1200 meters. There are 3 people. SCI is 30 meter per second. SB is 50 meter per second. SC is 80 meter per second. 80 meter per second. First case, A, B, C are moving in the same direction. A, B, C are moving in the same direction. A, B, C are moving in the same direction. A, B, C are moving in the same direction. In that one, first, A comma B will meet, time taken to meet for the first time on the track. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. First A comma B is after 1 second. Both are moving in the same direction, 20 meters. But I want 1200. That means 60 seconds. A and B will meet after 60 seconds. B and C, time taken to meet again for the first time. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again for the first time. If both of them are going in the same direction, after 1 second, C travels 80, B. 1 second 30 meters, but I want 1200. So this will be 40 seconds. C. A, B, C are moving in the, what is the time taken to meet for A, B and C for the first time? When will 40 and 60 will meet? At the LCM. LCM of 40, 60. 120 seconds, finished. A and B, B and C. Here you may get a doubt. Sir, you took A and B, B and C. Please take A and C also. A and C, if they are traveling in the same direction. A and C, what it will be? 1 second. C travels 80, A travels 30. How much it is? 50. But how much I require? 1200. So how much it is? 24 seconds. 24 seconds. So even if you do A, B, C, one will be common. Even if you do A, B, B, C, A, B, A, C, answer will not change. What is A, B? 60. What is A, C? 24. 60, 24 is 120. Right? You wanted to do LCM of BC, AC, that also is 120. Anything you do. So, A, B, B, C, once you know A, B, C, you will come to. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Please write down this. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. Very, very easy once you understand. 2 people, 3 people will be very easy. There are 3 kinds of questions. Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track. What is the second one? Number of distinct points on the track. Let us take that question. Next one. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the tracks. Now see here. That's also easy. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Now see here. Number of distinct meeting points on the track. Number of distinct meeting points on the track is SA is to SB is to SC. All of them are there in the same direction. 30 is to 50 is to 80. All of them are there in the same direction. Same direction means 30, 50, 3 is to 5. Same directions means 5 minus 3, 2. What will be these 2 meeting points? Starting point and opposite, diametrically opposite. This will be 2. Now 50, 80. What is 8 minus 5? 3. 3 meeting points. What is that 3 meeting points? 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. What is common here? The starting point. 2 and 3, what is the HCF? 1. Right? 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is 2 meeting points. Starting point and diametrically opposite. 5 is to 8. 3 meeting points. 3 equal distance means 1, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. You look at like this. 2 is nothing but 1 and a half. Or 1 and 2 by 2. 3 meeting points is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. How many meeting points are common? 2 and 2. Right? So how many meeting points? Here 2, here 3. Common is 1. Or the HCF of 2, 3. Number of distinct meeting points. Now what I do is, the best thing about this one is, suppose note, 2 questions I will solve. SA is to SB is to SC. A and B are moving in the same direction. C is in opposite. A and B in the same direction, C is in opposite. 3 is to 5 is to 8. A and B same direction, C opposite. Same direction means 3 and 5 how much? 2. Either you take BC or AC. 5 and 8 opposite direction. Opposite means how much? 13. 2, 13 only 1. HCF is 1. HCF is 1. You create as many questions as possible by interchanging arrows. You will get all answers. Vinitha, 3 and 5. Same direction means 2. 5 and 8. Opposite direction means 13. 2, 13 HCF is 1. Or 3 and 8. Next. Another question. Please change as many ways as possible. Suppose, next question. I hope it is clear, right? Next, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, A, B and C. A in same direction, B and C in opposite. 30:50:80. A and B in opposite. A is in one direction, B and 3 opposite. Opposite means 30:50. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 and 5, they are in same direction. 3 and 8. Right? Whether it is 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, same thing. Next. Suppose SA is to SB is to SC. Try to solve. 3 is to 5 is to 8. In the question only you will come to know A and C are in clockwise, B in anti-clockwise and everything. Opposite direction 8. 3 and 8. It is 5. 8 and 5 1. With these values you are getting 1. Sometimes you will get, suppose if I take example SA 20, SB 60, SC 140 for example. All are moving in the same direction. Moving in the same direction means 1 is to 3 is to 7. Am I right? 21s are 23s are. Same direction. Same direction means here 2. Here 4. 2 and 4, what will be the answer? 2. Center and its starting point and it's diametrically opposite. Khaja bhai. Right? So any number of people, it makes no difference. First question you can solve. If they are in, one is in this direction, other two in opposite. In 1 second total, how much it will cover? 80. In 1 second, 80. 1200, how much? If A and C are traveling in opposite direction, 1 second, 110. 1200, how much? Take the LCM of both. It makes no difference. 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Depending upon the arrows, you keep these right. Next. Note. 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 Let us remove A, B, C. We will replace it with hour hand, minutes hand, seconds hand. Note. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Number of distinct meeting points. No formula required. Just try to understand where are all the meeting points. Now, speed of hour hand 1/12 division per minute. Speed of minute hand 1 division per minute. Speed of seconds hand 1 minute 60. SHM is to SM is to SS. 1/12 is to 1 is to 60. 1 is to 12 is to 720. Hour hand, minutes hand, seconds hand. Hour hand and minutes hand will meet 11 times. Minutes hand and seconds hand 1 is to 60, 59 times. Hours hand and seconds hand 719 times. Please write down this. Hour hand is 1/12 division per minute. Minute hand is 1 division per minute. Seconds hand is, right, 60. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1/12 is to 1 is to 60. 1 is to 12 is to 720. Hour hand and minutes hand are moving in the same direction. There will be 11 meeting points. Minutes hand and seconds hand 1 is to 60. 59 meeting points. Hour hand and seconds hand 790. All three will be right. LCM of 11 and 59. 1. That will be at 12 o'clock. HCF. 1 point. Time taken to meet again. Time taken to meet again at the starting point. Time taken to meet again at the starting point in a circular track of length 1200 meters. 1200 meters. SA 30, SB 50, SC 80. All are moving in the same direction, same or opposite direction, it makes no difference. It is nothing but LCM of TA comma TB comma TC. So LCM of 1200 comma 30 comma 1200 comma by 50 by 1200 by 80. It is 1200 by 10. Answer is 120 seconds. Time taken to meet again at the starting point is always the LCM. Number of distinct meeting points is HCF of the difference or addition of the speeds if they are moving in same or opposite direction. 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, same concept holds good. Now try to solve these questions. First one. Now it will be very easy. First one. I think this you can say it orally, sir. TA is 12 minutes. Please write down the question. TA is 12 minutes. TA means time taken by A to complete one round. Starting at the TA is 12 minutes. TB is 15 minutes. TB is 15 minutes. TC is 20 minutes. TC is 20 minutes. After how much time all the three will meet for the first time? After how much time all the three will meet for the first time? If A and C are moving in clockwise direction, if A and C are moving in clockwise direction and B is moving in anti-clockwise direction. A and C are moving in clockwise, B is in anti-clockwise. TA is, how much it is? 12 minutes. TC is 20 minutes. TB is 15 minutes. TB is 15 minutes. Best way to solve it is, distance is constant. Take a number which is a multiple of 12, 20 and 15. 60 meters. If it is 60, SA will become 5 meters per minute. SB will become 4 meters per minute. SC will become 3 meters per minute. All are A and C are moving in the opposite direction. So A and C are moving in the same direction. That means in 1 meter, 1 minute, 8 meters. But I require in 60 meters. So 60 by 8. 15 by 2. A and B are moving in the opposite direction. A and B are moving in the opposite direction. A is 5 and B is 4. Opposite direction in 1 minute. How much it is? 9 meters. But I require how much? 60. How much it is? 60 by 9. Take the LCM of both. Take the LCM of both. It's very easy if you understand, sir. Take D equivalent to 12, 20 and 50. D is 60 meters. A will become 5 meters per minute. B will become 4 meters per minute. C will become 3 meters per minute. A and C are in the, you can take A and B in the opposite, C and B in the opposite, answer will remain same. Instead of 60, you take any number, 180, still answer will be the same. No formula required, just visualize and solve. Next. Another question. Very easy, right? Next. Which of the following?
So here A and B have 9 meeting points.
A and B? 9.
A and C 2 meters.
A and C, A 5, C, it is same means 30. LCM of 30 comma 60 by 9. Calculations you please take care, sir. It could be A and B, same, C opposite. Any question you can solve. Next, think and tell me this answer. Which of the following, here small correction, I wrote 8 because I assumed A and C are in the opposite direction, same direction too. Which of the following cannot be the ratio of speed of two runners? Which of the following cannot be the ratio of speed of two runners running in a circular track? Running in a circular track. while running, they meet at a diametrically opposite point. They meet at a diametrically opposite point to the point from where both of them started. To the point where both of them started. Options. Option A 3:5. Option B 1:3. Option C 1:5. Option D 2:3. They are meeting at a diametrically opposite point. That is the point. Is it mentioned that they are running in which direction? No. It could be same direction, it could be opposite direction. Let me read the question. Which of the following cannot be the ratio of speed of two runners running on a circular track if while running they meet at a diametrically opposite point to the point for where both of them started. Starting and diametrically they should meet. What is the first option? 3:5. If they are moving in the same direction, how many meeting points will be there? 2. 2 means here and diametrically opposite. 3:5 is possible. Next one 1:3. Same direction 2, possible. Third one 1:5. 4 meeting points. 4 meeting points means diametrically possible. 2:3. Either same direction is 1, opposite direction is 5. 5 is not diametrically opposite. Option is B. Option is D. Next, write one more question. If there are exactly 6 runners, satisfying the equation Sk equivalent to K into S1. K is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sk equivalent to K into S1, S2 equivalent to 2 times S1, S3 equivalent to 3 times S1, S6 is 6 times S1. How many distinct points are there on the track? How many distinct points are there on the track? If the runner numbered 1 is overtaken by the other 5 runners, if the runner number 1 is overtaken by other 5 runners, no formula, logically we will solve. Runner number 1 is overtaken by any of the 5 runners. S2 equivalent to 2 into S1. See, all 6 people are traveling in the same direction, sir. All 6 are traveling in the same direction. Same direction means what is S2 by S1? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 1 meeting point. If S3 equivalent to 3 into S1, what is S3 by S1? 3 by 1. How many meeting points? 2 meeting points. 1 and 1 by 2. Already it is taken. S4 is 4 into S1. How many meeting points? 3. 3 means 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Already counted once. S5 is 5 into S1. 5 by 1. 4 meeting points. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. These one. Already 2 by 4 is also counted. S6 is 6 into S1. 6 by 1. 5 meeting points. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. And 5 by 5. Counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Duplication not allowed. Duplication not allowed. Sk equivalent to K into S1. Same direction is S1 minus difference between the speeds if the speeds are in simplest form. I hope you got the idea, right? Time taken to meet again for the first time on the track, number of distinct points on the track, time taken to meet again at the starting point. How many distinct meeting points are there if two are traveling in the same direction, opposite direction? All the three cases for three people. There could be another case, till now this case is not given, right? Suppose there are some concentric circles. There are some concentric center circle, right? Now, inside, please write down this question. A and B are running clockwise direction. A and B are running in clockwise direction. C is moving in anti-clockwise direction. Speed of A is 5 meter per second. Length is 400 meters. Speed of B is 9 meter per second. Length is 600 meters. Speed of C is 8 meter per second. Length is 800 meters. Length is 800. Length is 800. There are three circles, concentric circles. He is saying when A, B and C will meet on the same line. It could be here, it could be here. Right? The best way to solve this question is, these are three concentric circles, right? Assume them if it moves on a same circle. Same circle means 400, 600, 800. Tell me a value which is common to 400, 600, 800. 2400. If it is 2400 meters, for 400 it is 5 meter per second. For 2400 it is 30 meter per second. 400 6 are 2400, 6 5s are 30. What will be B? 36 meter per second. What will be C? 24 meter per second. Instead of asking question like this, they are asking question like this. Make it into a common length. Same proportion. Now you know whether A, B are moving in the reverse. A, B moving in the same direction, A and B moving in the opposite direction, whatever question solve it. Take a number which is common to the multiple of 400, 600 and 800 and do it proportionally.
How are you extending that logic?
No, all these are same concentric circle, right? I'm assuming that in 400 meters, it is traveling at 5 meter per second. What if it is not 400? 2400 at what ratio it will go? 30. Instead of putting 3 circles, I am putting 1 circle and I am doing it proportionally. Multiplication factor. 2 pen cost 6 rupees. 8 pen cost how much? Into 4. Same thing I am doing it.
So here the same line extends to
Exactly.